Surigao, char. Dili ako mag-deliver ng State of the Budget Office address, kundi magpaibero lamang ako sa ato utilization, sa ato appropriation, sa ato supplemental budget. Before that, ako na i-acknowledge ang ato mga hakalahang dunan diri sa stage. To my Mayor, Pablo Dumlao, to the Vice Mayor, Sir Alfonso Casora, to the honorable councilors who are here, Councilor Toti Catre, Councilor Batangabian, Councilor Carl Dwayne Casura, Councilor Joyo Epco, and Councilor SK Ginelini Del Sora. And to the department heads, good morning. And if you notice, waya karadya mo suga tungod kay nahadlok na madugangan na sa pagkaitom na mo color ni Nelson. Anyway, so pasensya, pareho magdita color, absent man si Lex, kitarani duha. In our appropriation for 2024, we have an appropriation of 1,412,813,048 pesos. Of this, we already utilized 33% as of June 2024. So we are still utilizing the fund on a regular basis. Out of this 1.4 billion, we have appropriated 1.1 billion for the general fund, of which we already utilized 38.53%. Base maklaro ni Judia sa screen daon, first time. At least ma-utilize nato dyan screen. It is for us to know. Of the 20% development fund, we have appropriated 214 million, of which we are still utilizing 7.16% pa. For the LDRR fund, we already utilized 30%, but as of July, we already are in 44% utilization rate. For the 5%, for the bus terminal, we have utilized 27.19% or 5.6 million. The slaughterhouse, we have 6.9, and for the special education fund, we already utilized 30% of the total appropriation of 48,500,000. We are glad also to inform you that so far as of July, we only have one supplemental budget. It would only mean that we are properly budgeting our fund and resources. And we have a supplemental budget of 86,813,000. And we are also glad to inform you that all the barangays had already submitted their annual budget. And all of these are already approved in the Sangguniang Panglungsod, except for the 8, which budget are still pending with the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. But this is the first time that all of these barangays had already submitted their annual budget before the end of June. As to the implementation of employees' benefit, we are continuing and we're continuously implementing the clothing allowance, the monetization, the leave monetization, the payment of terminal leave benefits, loyalty incentive, retirement, salary step increment, and mid-year bonus. We are praying that we will be implementing again the half of these benefits before the end of November. So I will not make my speech or report long because I will be giving this time to our mayor and to our vice mayor. So again, Marajao na buntag, Surigao, Marajao na buntag, City Hall.